Very welcome everybody, or what is up YouTube. So today we're going to do a Let's Explore, and welcome to Kuching. And the building in front of you is called Wisma Mamot. I am outside and it's Monday. I wanted to go in the bank, RHB Bank, but apparently RHB Bank is not in there. The headquarters is someplace else. So oh, what a waste of my petrol. So anyway, today we are going to be making the Let's Explore video. It's been a while. I would call this a season 2 of Let's Explore, and this is a beautiful view of the seaside and such a hot day. So, and on a plus side, in addition to that, I will be doing a street photography with my Fujifilm X-T2 with the TT Artisan 1.4 f-stop with 30 millimeter, I think. So shall we begin? We're going to walk around and admire the view. And also I won't be doing, whoa, that car is driving in reverse. Amazing. So anyway, I'm going to be taking pictures today. Street photography pictures. It's not going to be very interesting, but I've watched YouTube videos of street photography and it's very interesting for me. But for those out there who are not interested and much rather knowing about the history of this place, or wanted to know more about what is this place, there are other YouTube videos out there, but mine is strictly exploring. I don't do travel guide because, as I said in the first season of Let's Explore, I am not a travel guide. I don't even know jack crap about my place, my hometown. All I do here is live, grow up, and earn money, live a life basically. And now I've earned all my money to buy this second-hand camera, and let's go do a street photography. I'm gonna take a picture of this view. So we're gonna do f 5.6. I'm pretty sure they're f 5.6. So let's go. I'm going to be using because the lights are amazing today, so I might be using classic chrome. Oh no, Astra. Sure. So shall we begin? Jaywalking is normal here in Malaysia. So let's jaywalk. This is a beautiful side of the building. I do quite like this Mamamut because of how aesthetic the building looks. Apparently 30 millimeter is too close. I want to take a bit further away, and it's quite hot. Let's give it a bit of a blurry background. Woo! Give it 2 point something. 2 f-stop. That's a beautiful building. Hockley. It used to be at Hockley Centre and what do you call Supreme Hotel? What's the name of the hotel? I forgot. 360. Don't forget that building over there. Tall building. There used to be an arcade down there, and also used to be a shopping mall. Let's take a picture of the building. This is a beautiful back alley, great for photography too. And I love back alley. They make for a brilliant street photography. Maybe I'll just choose chroma key. Oh no, classic what? Classic chrome. What did I say? Chroma key? I don't know. Oops. I always love back alley, especially things like this sort of view. I love looking at this view, especially for street photography, for making street photography. Well, of course, because of the lighting, I might as well have to use 3 or 4 f-stop. But what about the one on the roof? Also like very picturesque. Oh, I love back alley. I so bloody love back alley. This is also quite beautiful with a motorcycle. It's so vintage. Oh wow. Well, we don't have a wide angle lens, but considering that this Fimi palm is a wide angle, look at this building. Look at how old it looks. It's beautiful. I mean, for me it is. I like looking at it. When I was a kid, I always loved exploring back alley. Oh. There's a tall white building. That's Kuching Park, a hotel. It's where there are for COVID. I mean, those who are in the middle of one of the self-quarantine from traveling, they will be put in there. But they're not only Kuching Park. but also there are more hotels for the quarantine travelers. As for me, well, I didn't travel anywhere lately, so it's fine because Kuching is my home. How ironic that I don't know much about my home. So that's what I'm doing now, exploring my own backyard. Since I can't explore the well, might as well explore the place where I stay. Right, oh, this building is quite lovely, especially the colors. I'm shooting an f1.5. Oh, look at the building over there. Oh. Right. This is lovely. Look at that. Oh. This one. Something that's so vibrant, we need to use a different profile. Cine profile. We'll use extra soft. Three by two. Okay, let's go. Extra soft. Back to classic chrome. What about this one? Back alley. I love back alley. I body love back alley. Let me try. Cheng Ho. The name of the road is Cheng Ho. Oopsie, sorry. We're back in the yellow building. 100% superstore. Food court. This is a food court. There's the condominium in the background. Lovely. Let's go take a picture of that building, the condominium behind the food court, the 100% superstore. Food court Honto. Yeah, this one. I remember. And there used to be a shopping mall here. Sadly, it's discontinued, no more. Nothing to buy, nothing to sell. I want to look at that green things, the leaves, the building with the leaf. If only the car moves slightly to the right, then yes, lovely. Let's go take that picture. The building with the leaves. this one. I'm talking about this one. Look at how lovely it is. The building with all the leaves. Very, very nature heavy. Naturalistic. I quite like it. Okay. Hot day. I know. Most of you wants to see how it looks like in the food court. Alright. Let's go take a peek. Ooh. Okay, that's enough of that. Take a picture of the palm tree, but before that, I have to do me a favor here. I just need to make sure all the car passes by. I don't want to block anyone's way. This one. I know a perfect color for it. A very thin, wavy color. You'll see. Oh my, I want to edit this in post. Well, you know me, I like to explore backalley. Oh, there's another building with the plant. This one up here. Oh, first someone's going to spit on me. So here's somebody's coughing. Then after the condominium, we'll end there. There it is, here we are. The condominium. This one is nice. Well, let's take a picture of the condominium and then we'll end there. Uh-oh. Too bright. Too bloody bright. Too bright. Too dark. Okay, that should be all. Now, let's go back. Alright, I think the video has gone way too long. So yeah, for those who are still sticking around, I hope you enjoy us walking under the very hot sun today to admire Kuching on the weekday working hour. And I need to get some drinks. No, most importantly, I need to be under the shade, or else I get a heat stroke. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next Let's Explore. Bye bye.